All right, guys, this is the third video in the quadratic formula playlist. Okay, first thing, I need my iPad. Okay, so look, we've got a quadratic equation, x squared minus 8x minus 9 equals 0. And they said solve this algebraically. And then it says explain the first step you use to solve the given equation. Well, the first step is basically taking the coefficients and storing them into the numbers, substituting them into the numbers. So that's what I've done. This is the first step. That to me is the first step. Then we're going to use the formula. So this is going to be x equals, we're going to have plus or minus square root. We're going to have minus 4 times AC, let's see, and this is going to be 2. So let's put the numbers in where they need to go. B is a -8, so it's going to be a -8. And then in here, it's going to be a -8 squared. And then we're going to do the A goes here. And then we're going to multiply that times the C, which is a -9. And then down underneath in the denominator, we are going to do a 1. Now, once we've done this, once we've done these two things, this is +1, and now we can end solve. So we go get our calculator over here, and menu 31, and you've got x squared minus 8x minus 9 equals 0, comma, x, and oops, not comma, q, comma, x, and then you press enter. And it tells us that one of the solutions is a -1. So let's go here, and we're going to say x equals a -1. And let's see if it has another solution. It could have up to 2. So we're just going to copy this, and we're going to change this to 100. Press enter, and we get 9. So our other answer is 9. There we go. Let's go to this. Here's 1. Here's 1. We didn't have to round anything because these are integers. So this would be +1. This would be +1. We're done. All right. That's it. You're just taking the coefficients and you're plugging them into the quadratic formula. And you don't have to memorize the quadratic formula because they will give it to you. You just have to be able to use it. And all we're doing is just showing them that we know how to store the numbers, but we actually use end solve to get our two zeros. All right, for two solutions. So let me stop this and post.